Welcome to Simple Daily English. Hello, everyone. My name is Lily. Today, I want to tell you a very exciting story from my childhood. It is a story about the summer, about friendship, and about learning new things. This story is about the time Max and I went to a summer camp. I will speak slowly and clearly. This is a perfect lesson for beginners and A2 learners who want to learn words about sports, competitions, and skills. Are you ready? Let's go back in time. When I was 10 years old, my parents told me some great news. Lily, my mother said, "This summer, you and Max are going to summer camp." I was so happy. I jumped up and down. Max was my best friend since we were babies in the sandbox, and now we were going on a real adventure together. We packed our bags with t-shirts, shorts, sneakers, and hats. We were ready for Camp Blue Lake. The bus ride to the camp was long, but we didn't mind. We looked out the window and saw green forests and tall mountains. When we arrived, we saw many wooden cabins and a big, sparkling blue lake. There were hundreds of other children. The air smelled like pine trees and wood fire. A tall counselor named Sam greeted us. He had a big whistle around his neck. "Welcome to Camp Blue Lake," he shouted. "This week, you will learn to be brave, you will learn to work together, and you will compete for the golden trophy." Max and I looked at each other. We wanted that trophy, but first, we had to learn new skills. Every morning, the camp had different classes. On the first day, we went to the archery range. I had never held a bow and arrow before. It was heavy and difficult. My first arrow didn't even hit the target. It fell in the grass. I felt a little sad. But Max came over and showed me how to stand. "Keep your arms straight, Lily," he said. I tried again. Thwack! The arrow hit the edge of the target. I learned my first big lesson: patience. You cannot be perfect on the first try. You must practice. On the second day, we went to the lake. We had to learn how to row a boat. This was very funny, but also very hard. Max and I were in a small red canoe. Max pulled the left oar, and I pulled the right oar. But we were not moving together. The boat just went in circles. We were laughing so hard we almost fell into the water. Then, Sam the counselor yelled from the shore, "Coordinate! Listen to each other!" We stopped laughing and started to count. 1, 2, pull. 1, 2, pull. Suddenly, the boat moved straight and fast across the water. We learned our second big lesson: teamwork. 2 people are stronger than 1 if they work together. The third day was for building things. We went into the woods and learned how to make a shelter using only branches and leaves. We also learned how to tie different types of knots with a rope. This was a very important skill. Max was very good at this. He made a very strong knot called a square knot. I learned how to make a bowline knot. We felt like real explorers. We learned our third lesson, resourcefulness. You can build many things if you use your brain and the nature around you. Finally, the big day arrived. The summer camp competition. All the children were divided into teams. Max and I were on the Yellow Tigers team. There were 4 big events. The first event was the 100-meter dash. I am a fast runner, but there was a girl from the Red Dragons who was very quick. I ran as fast as I could. My heart was beating fast. I crossed the finish line just 1 second before her. I won the gold medal for my team. I felt so proud. The second event was the obstacle course. We had to climb over a wooden wall, crawl through a tunnel of mud, and balance on a thin beam of wood. Max was amazing. He moved like a monkey. He climbed the wall in 3 seconds. But then, on the balance beam, he slipped. He didn't fall, but he lost his balance. The whole team shouted, "Go, Max! You can do it!" He stood up straight, took a deep breath, and finished the course. He didn't come in first place, but he didn't quit. He learned that resilience is more important than winning. The third event was a tug of war. This is a game where 2 teams pull a long, thick rope. The strongest team wins. The Red Dragons were very big and strong. We pulled and pulled. Our hands were red. Our feet were digging into the dirt. We were losing. Then Max started to chant, "Heave! Ho! Heave! Ho!" Our whole team started to pull at exactly the same time. Slowly, the rope moved toward us. With one final pull, we won. The last event was a quiz about nature. We had to identify different leaves and birds. Because Max and I had studied hard during our forest classes, we knew all the answers. We knew the difference between an oak leaf and a maple leaf. We knew the sound of a woodpecker. At the end of the day, all the campers gathered around a big campfire. The stars were shining bright in the sky. Sam the counselor stood up with the golden trophy. "This year," he said, "the winners are the Yellow Tigers." Max and I jumped up and hugged each other. We were so happy. We took the trophy and held it high. But as we sat by the fire, eating toasted marshmallows, I realized something. The trophy was beautiful, but it wasn't the best part of the camp. The best part was that I was more confident. I wasn't afraid of trying new things anymore. I knew how to shoot an arrow, how to row a boat, and how to help my friends. Max felt the same way. He told me, "Lily, we are a great team." When the bus came to take us home, we were tired and a little bit dirty, but we were very happy. We had many stories to tell our parents, We had medals in our pockets and new skills in our heads. That summer camp changed us. It taught us that life is a competition, but the most important victory is the one you win over your own fears. What about you? Have you ever been to a summer camp? What skills did you learn? Do you like competitions? Please tell me your story in the comments. I love to read your English practice. Thank you for listening to Lily's story. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more adventures. Goodbye.